sugar and spice. Give you everything that's nice. Come on, sugar and spice. What you want from me, baby? What you want now? Sugar and spice. Give you everything that's nice. You got me going into overdrive. Too busy, can you leave a message by tone? You got me wrapped around in summertime. Yeah, yeah. I need to know we'll fall in love right here and now. Call me up whenever you're feeling low. Stimulate your mind, we can take it slow. You got me going crazy.
Post-workout, getting a juice generation smoothie, my absolute favorite. Ole, ole, ole. Oh my god, I didn't even bring my wallet.
Really?
This is how much of a rush you rushed me out the door.
Oh, good thing, because we just made it. In time.
I have no words for you.
Good thing, lady. Ew, you have poop on your shoes.
Ew! I thought I washed it. Oops, I stepped in Rue's poop today. We are on our way to get a facial. Yeah, I'm going to Moonflower Spa, seeing my girl Yuko. I love Yuko. She honestly has like the best facials. Yuko is someone I want to start gatekeeping because she is so booked.
Can't gatekeep orders.
I know, I can't gatekeep, but I want to. I always recommend her. Even to friends who have a lot of acne, like literally, it completely cleared up. Like June, he's got glass skin now. Yeah, cannot wait. It looks so crazy right now. We're good. Now we are off to dinner. What a busy day. Jumping around from one thing to another. We're going to dinner at Ole, meeting up with James and Nicole. That's usually the place we eat at when we meet because we love the naengmyeon. Kristen and G slept over last night. We wanted to have like a girls' night in. We're gonna go hit the gym. Let's see what the girls are up to. Oh!
Hey.
You want pre-workout, G?
Oh wait, I didn't know you have pre-workout. That has caffeine in it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
And creatine. You don't drink this, right?
Yo, what the heck, Michelle?
Yeah, I've been really into this. Show which nail design you're doing.
Kristen's pick of the night. Wait, oh, you mixing matching different ones? Like,
Okay, why are you putting your gun on my station?
Gee, you're not gonna use it.
I know, but this is my station. Oh, yeah, this is your thing.
Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee.
It was kind of decided. It was kind of.
I remember they wanted one.
Yeah,
I
right?
agree.
It's not-
I'm on Michelle's side.
Then why?
I
Why?
think it's just preference. I think it's just preference.
But why do you prefer?
It's not
Oh.
how
But
you
why?
do
If you-
Sure.
It's just like.
But what's
what
the
you
reason?
prefer.
It's like it's how you. It's 12:55. Wait, are we? It's burning. What is that? On it.
Oh, it's
It's
burning?
burning.
You burned the bread!
Bread is burned.
Bring out the window. Wait, bring outside.
good. One of my favorite foods is kimbap, so I always pick up kimbap when I come to H Mart. This is natto. I've been really liking natto lately. I eat it with my eggs. I'm gonna make Korean pancakes because it's raining. The reasons why Koreans love to eat Korean pancake when it's raining is because the sounds that it makes when it's sizzling reminds them of rain. So that is why we're gonna be making Korean pancakes today. Perfect. So that is beautiful. So on a day like this when it's raining and I don't really have much going on, I finally wanted to get into my Korean workbooks that I got in Korea earlier in the year. I did not touch it since I got it. Life got a little busy once I started moving, but today is the day. I'm gonna dedicate a few hours to work on these workbooks. I finished level 3 and level 4, and I didn't take level 5 and 6, so I got level 5 and level 6. This one is really cute. This is K-drama, so they have like dialogues of actual like K-drama. Like Something in the Rain is in here. Before I head out, I wanted to do my monthly check-in. Thank you BetterHelp for sponsoring this portion of the video. And exciting news, we are starting couples therapy in a few days and we are so excited. I feel like we know each other pretty well, but people always tell us like you do not know your partner till you start therapy or you get married, then you see a whole new side of them. So we're very curious to get to know each other even more, and just even seeing the effects that therapy had on me and my growth over the past few years. It's absolutely transformed my self journey. And honestly, life can be a little confusing and can get hard sometimes. Can we just agree? Therapy has just really given me so much power and stability back into my life. So I want to be able to share this with Blurry Salsa Man, and we're very excited. But yeah, I started my therapy journey on BetterHelp because it's just so easy to start. You can use my link betterhelp.com/MichelleChoi. You can let BetterHelp connect you with a therapist who can support you, all from the comfort of your own home. Visit betterhelp.com/MichelleChoi or click Michelle Choi at sign up for a special discount for your first month.
Simple, simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. Too many problems, I'm already lost, yeah. My baby, I do. I miss you too many nights. I miss you.
We are going to dinner right now. We're eating at Muna, which is one of my favorite Korean restaurants. Thank you.
밤이 오면 항상 turn the lights out. Tell me where you want it.
So good.
Baby, you're the one I wanna know about. We can fall in slowly, yeah. We don't no need to do the talking. Get into it.
Just finished dinner and now I'm in Madison Square Park. This is where I used to take Dobby all the time, but I have some time before my event, so I'm gonna chill here, digest, and wait for Yuyan. You wanna come to the park for a bit? You know the dog park? Yeah. Okay, we'll just chill here for like a little bit and then go in. Okay, alright, bye.
Over there, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Sunlight.
Today is the day we start couples therapy. Initial thoughts. I'm a little nervous. I don't know what to expect. I don't know if this is gonna be like more structured than my personal therapy sessions. We shall find out. Do you feel like you're gonna cry today?
I don't know. We'll see.
I'm already kind of tearing up. Why am I tearing up already? We haven't even started. Hi, Dobby. Okay. For shoes, I'm gonna be wearing my Loewe loafers. Running errands, OOTD. Oh, there's a spider, there's a spider, there's a spider.